to a day in my life, and I'm super excited because I love Blue Tokai की coffee. मैं बस बालकनी में अभी पौधों को पानी डालने आई थी एंड मुझे काफ़ी चीज़ें करनी है एक्चुअली आज, बट आई जस्ट लाइक टू स्टार्ट माई मॉर्निंग विद being in the balcony because fresh air, nature. But आज हमें काफ़ी चीज़ें करनी है, so I'm gonna go back inside and get started. So I got myself an apple to start off the day. I just took a shower and I did my morning puja and all of that. So अभी मैं एप्पल खाऊंगी एंड उसके बाद मुझे थोड़ा सा काम करना है ऑफिस का. उसके बाद the plan is to go out with a friend. Yeah, I think we're gonna go to a cafe first and probably bowling. I don't know. But I'm working today, so I think मुझे कैफ़े जाके भी काम ही करना पड़ेगा. But yeah, at least it'll be good to go out for a change. So yeah, I'm just going to do some work and then we'll get ready and go out. Okay guys, so you know I was reading something the other day and it hasn't left my head since then, and whenever I feel stuck I go back and read it, so I thought I'll share with you. And the quote says, "No one's coming to remind you that your life is important. You either treat it like it is or you don't." And honestly that hit me because most days I do wait for like motivation or for a sign or for someone to just pull me out of this weird stuck phase where it feels like I'm living the same day over and over again. But you know, no one is coming. So I've started showing up for myself, even in the smallest ways, even if it means doing that one thing that you were dreading the most for that day, or going out somewhere for a change, but just showing up. Anyway, mini rant over, so back to the vlog. Okay, I've switched rooms because उस room में सफाई हो रही थी, but मेरा अभी का सारा काम हो गया है, meetings, all of that, so I'm quickly just gonna get ready and go. I love this top. This is from Vero Moda, and I absolutely love it. Look at the fit and just how it looks. It's so pretty. So for the lip, I'm gonna go for this L'Oreal Paris Cutie. This is in the shade Rose Tender, and काफ़ी beautiful shade है ये. Just look at this beauty. It's so gorgeous. Look at how pretty this looks. I'm just gonna go for these drop earrings. Also, I think हम Blue Tokai जाने वाले हैं. Also, just gonna do this little watch. Oh, and I also want to show you this perfume that I've been loving. I don't know if you can see it properly. But yeah, this is the Studio West Paris perfume. This is basically West Side का perfume, West Side की जो perfume range है. And I don't know what is it about this, but it literally smells like chocolate vanilla. And it's super long lasting. I've gone through like so many bottles of this. So yeah, I'm ready to go. I'll see you at the cafe. am back with a little snack. I am going to eat this loker ke, what is it even called? Biscuits type of thing. Patty yaar. Yeah, they're kind of like biscuits. Wait, I'll show you. My brother got these for me from Abu Dhabi. This is how they look. They are so yummy. I love it. बहुत yummy है. It has like a hazelnut taste. So good.
A few moments later.
So I actually had a really long week this week. There's a lot that happened work-wise, at home also. Like there was a lot going on. So it was just nice to take a break aaj. And बड़े दिनों बाद I think I've gone out like this. So बहुत मज़ा आया bowling में and the other stuff that we did in that arcade. And just to sit at a cafe and work, बहुत अच्छा लगा, and I should do this more often, definitely. But yeah, we have another hectic week ahead. In fact, a hectic month. तो मैं बस उसके लिए थोड़ा सा to-do list advance में बना रही थी, because I will not have time at all to plan things. And there's one thing on my to-do list which I need to start, but मैं कर ही नहीं पा रही हूँ यार. मैं खुद से डिसीजंस ही नहीं ले पा रही हूँ. इट्स बेसिकली टू सॉर्ट आउट माई रूम सिचुएशन. जो तुमने स्टार्टिंग में देखा होगा, दैट इज़ माई रूम. एंड वी शिफ्टेड इन दिस हाउस ड्यूरिंग कोविड, लाइक राइट व्हेन कोविड वाज अबाउट टू स्टार्ट. सो उस टाइम पे हमें मतलब टाइम ही नहीं मिला टू लाइक get everything sorted and to actually decorate our rooms and get furniture for it and all. And उसके बाद से I have not done anything with that room. तो मैं उसी रूम में ऐसे ही रह रही हूँ. And it's time for a change, because ना तो उस रूम में लाइटिंग अच्छी है, ना उस रूम में कुछ मतलब ढंग से सेटअप है. So I need to get a lot of stuff sorted for that. But yeah, overall it was a really good day. I had a lot of fun. So yeah, थोड़ा सा काम कर लेते हैं, to do list बना लेते हैं, and then I'll probably call it a day and go to sleep. Also, I discovered a song this week by Alex Warren, and I fell in love with it. It's been stuck in my head ever since, and मैं हर time काम करते हुए वो गाना सुनती हूँ. So I just wanted to share it with you.
Baby, the way the clouds are painted, a perfect shady island, all across the sky. Baby, open doors.
She is really good as well.
Baby, you're on my mind.